We've been camping with my dad in Northwest Arkansas and spend the day exploring the Fayetteville area before saying goodbye and parting ways. We then continue our journey east through a heavy rainstorm before settling down at the nicest rest area we've seen. We hope you enjoy, and welcome to Living Large Camping. Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to Living Large Camping. We've been in Northwest Arkansas, kind of the Fayetteville area, for the last couple nights, camping with my dad and stepmom, and today is our last day with them, but we are going to have a great day.
This morning we're going to start it off with a run because we are in lower elevation and there's not snow everywhere, so we're very excited to get back into that.
We're going to go do that now, and we'll pick you back up afterwards.
Was a great 1.5 mile run. It's beautiful out and it just feels really good to be back into running.
We've had a relatively lazy month in Colorado just because it was so cold and the high altitude, but now we're back lower elevation. It feels great, so I think it's time to make some breakfast.
Yay! We're headed to the neighbors!
And since we just unwinterized the camper and filled the water tanks, I'm going to go ahead and treat it with a little bit of household bleach. That way it kills all the stuff in there that's been sitting over the last couple months. And to do that, I'm just going to put about a cup of bleach into a water bottle, mix some water in it, and then pour it in the water fill from the outside, let it sit for a couple hours, and then we'll drain it all out.
But now it's time to go over to the neighbors for breakfast.
And a rib. Clark, looks good.
Yum, yum. And we brought over a rib from yesterday. Breakfast at the neighbors was delicious, but while Connor edits over here, I'm going to quickly change and give you guys a bathroom review. All right, all changed. Now let's check out these bathrooms. There are the bathrooms. Alright guys, so we're in the bathrooms. They are not very nice. Honestly, this is probably one of the top 5 worst bathrooms I've ever been in. They're pretty dirty. They don't really clean up the trash much. They just cleaned it today, so it looks better for you guys, but I'm probably gonna give this one 2.5 out of 10. It's, again, like I said, not very clean. There's no hand sanitizer and this place could really use some. And the screen to the door is broken. It's very breezy in here, but there are no flies. So that's why I'm giving it a 2.5. Let me know what you guys think, if that was fair or not, or if you would rate it lower than that. I also forgot Connor wanted me to mention that the toilet seats are really sharp. So that's another reason why we're giving it a 2.5.
Oh, hi, handsome. Hi, how's the sunbathing?
Alright, we are headed into town now. We're actually going to do something pretty unique for us. There is a museum here called Crystal Bridges, and it's the Walmart family, and they have all of their art displayed there, and it's free to the public. So we're going to go check that out, and not sure if they'll let us film or not, but we'll find that out here soon.
We just went into the Crystal Bridges Museum, which was very cool. It had a lot of different types of art, and it's free to the public. So if you guys are ever in the area, we highly recommend you checking it out.
Yeah, usually we don't do many historical features in towns, but this is pretty cool, especially being free and just the vast amount of art they have here was, I was really surprised. It was nice.
It was a nice break.
Now we're gonna walk back to the camper because it is kind of a hike. It's a pretty big property over here, and we'll figure out what to do next. Had a great time exploring the Bentonville area, which is just north of Fayetteville, Arkansas, and now we're back here at Hickory Creek Park on Beaver Lake, and we are going to make some dinner with my dad. We've got some leftover barbecue from last night. I think they're also grilling some wings, and it's just going to be a great evening here. It's kind of colder out here than it was earlier. It was nice today, about sunny and 62, but the wind's picked up. It's chilly.
It's bringing in some thunderstorms.
Yeah, it's supposed to storm all day tomorrow, so we're gonna have a fun day on the road.
Woohoo!
I'm full. That was a great dinner with Dad and Sarah. It was just nice to be able to sit in their camper and enjoy leftovers, but still, it's always nice conversation and just great catching up with them.
Yeah, I love being with them and absolutely love camping with them. It's very easygoing, but for now we're going to call it a night because we're exhausted. So we'll pick you guys back up in the morning.
Yeah, it's supposed to be a little stormy tomorrow, and we are moving spots, so hopefully the rain holds off at least a little bit in the morning so we can get on the road. We'll let you guys know how that is tomorrow.
Good night, guys.
Best time in the morning.
Well, good morning, guys. It's a gray and rainy day here today, so we're just packing up to leave, and we're gonna go take you over to the neighbors to show their cirrus.
Yeah, we're actually parting ways with my dad and stepmom today. They're headed back to Texas, and we are staying in Arkansas for a little while. So we're gonna go say bye to them and give you a quick walkthrough of their rig just before they leave. Here's just a quick look at their Cirrus 920 truck camper. These are awesome truck campers. The build quality is amazing. All of the appliances are really efficient and quiet, and they have loved it. They've lived in here for going on 2 years now, and I think it's the perfect truck camper for them.
We just want to give you guys a quick little glimpse into the inside of their Cirrus, but we do have a full tour when we compared our four-wheel camper to their Cirrus. If you guys have any interest in that, we'll link that here so you can check that out. That's a pretty clean bathroom. I'd give this one a 10 out of 10.
They're gonna pull the camper around to a level surface, that way they can hook up the Jeep on the back, and then they're headed off, sadly.
See you buddy soon. Hey, say bye, buddy. Say bye, Max.
Bye, Max. We'll talk to you later. Yeah, we'll see you soon. We'll see you soon.
Yeah. What do we do now?
I don't know. I guess we can cook for ourselves now.
Well, this isn't as fun.
Nah, just kidding. That was dang good. Now it's time to kind of pack up the camper, and then we're going to drive a little bit east today. Not exactly sure where we're going because it's supposed to be pretty stormy today, so we'll figure that out here soon.
Alright, it is getting really windy here, so we're gonna quickly pack up the camper and then tell you guys our plans for the night.
And it's supposed to get some rain here in a little bit, so we're going to start driving towards the Little Rock area, and hopefully we'll find a nice place to pull over for tonight. I think there's a couple rest stops along the way, and we'll probably just do that since it's going to be nasty out anyway. So hopefully a good drive ahead of us. Well, we timed it pretty perfectly. As soon as we left the park, it started raining, so we're going to take this slow, and we'll see you guys closer to Little Rock. So we just pulled into our rest stop for the night. We are just outside of Russellville on I-40 here, headed towards Little Rock, and it's going to be a great spot. It's supposed to rain all night long, so we're just going to go inside, relax, and unwind for a little bit.
Okay, so we just got to the rest stop and I wanted to give you guys a bathroom review just because this one is definitely different than the last one that I did. So let me show you guys. So as you can see, they have hand dryers and lots of bathroom stalls, which is awesome. And tons of sinks with little foggy mirrors. Okay, so this place smells pretty good. It is very clean. There are tons of sinks, like I said, and tons of bathrooms, which is very nice for a rest stop. I mean, I'm pretty impressed. It says on the sign outside that there's 24-hour surveillance, so that just makes you feel really safe and a good peace of mind when you're staying here overnight. So honestly, I'd probably give this one a 10 out of 10. What do you guys think? So within maybe 15 minutes of pulling in here.
I mean, they don't call it a rest stop for nothing. This is cozy.
Well, we're gonna hang out.
So we're doing just a relatively simple meal tonight. We've got some white quinoa that we have boiling right now, and then we have leftover chicken sausage meatballs that we've cut up, and then some veggies and the rest of our spinach that's kind of going bad. So we're gonna go ahead and cook that down now, and it's gonna be a great, easy road meal. Sure.
Cheers.
Cheers. Looks like a great dinner. Alright guys, well that's going to do it for us this video. It's been a very nice relaxing day here at this rest stop. We're going to go ahead and just finish enjoying this time to ourselves and catching up on all the stuff that we've missed out on the last few days. All of the route planning and the research and stuff like that that we need to do is just kind of taking a back step while we're spending time with family, which is always important.
We hope you guys enjoyed coming along on another day with Connor's dad and stepmom, and also this rainy day, which like he said has been a very needed reset.
Surprisingly, staying at rest stops has been a really good experience for us. We've stayed at 3 in the last 10 days or so, and they've all been unique, but this one is probably my favorite so far. We're kind of tucked back in the trees, so it doesn't seem like at a rest stop. It seems more like a campground. But for just a quick overnight, whenever the weather's gross and you just need to kind of sit in the camper and do stuff all day long, it's a nice change.
And they have nice bathrooms, so that's always a plus.
We hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you have, go ahead and hit that subscribe button to show us your appreciation and support. We love making these videos for you guys.
We will be in Arkansas for a little bit longer, which we're very excited about, and hopefully this weather takes a nicer turn so we can have warmer weather. But as always, we appreciate you guys watching these videos.
We will see you next time. As for now, hope you have a large day.
Bye guys!